Have you ever walked into a store and seen something you like, but your heart starts beating fast?
Imagine this. You're in a clothing store. You find a jacket you really like, and you want to ask, "How much is this?" But your mind goes blank.
You want to ask the price. You want to ask for your size. But English freezes in your mouth. You smile, you nod, and you walk away without buying anything.
You feel shy. You feel nervous. You think, "What if I say it wrong?" So you say nothing and leave the store. Today, we will change that.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to our channel, English Glow Up. This is the place where learning English feels calm, friendly, and possible.
Yes. Here, we learn English step by step. No stress, no fear. Just real English for real life.
If you are new here, welcome. We are so happy you're here.
And if you enjoy learning English in a simple and relaxed way, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel English Glow Up, and share it with someone who wants to speak English with confidence.
All right, let's begin. Today's topic is very important: shopping English.
Yes, we will practice how to ask the price, ask for your size, and return an item.
These are things we do in real life in clothing stores, shoe stores, even small shops.
And don't worry, we will use very easy English. Short sentences, friendly words.
No grammar lessons, no big explanations, just English you can use today. Let's start with something simple. Asking the price.
The most common question is, "How much is this?"
Let's say it together, slowly.
How much is this?
Good. Again, how much is this?
You can also say, "How much is it?"
Try it. How much is it?
Very good. That's all you need. Let's do a small role play. I'm the customer. You're the shop assistant. Excuse me. How much is this jacket?
It's $50.
Thank you.
That's it. Simple. Clear.
Here are more useful sentences.
Is this on sale?
Repeat with me. Is this on sale?
Another one.
Is there a discount?
Say it slowly. Is there a discount?
Great job.
Now let's talk about sizes. This is very important in clothing stores.
The most common sentence is, "Do you have this in size?"
Let's say it together. Do you have this in size?
Then you add your size, small, medium, large.
For example, do you have this in size medium?
Repeat. Do you have this in size medium? Let's do another role play. Excuse me. Do you have this in size large?
Yes, we do. Here you go.
Thank you.
Very natural. Very easy.
Sometimes the answer is no.
They may say, "Sorry, we don't have that size."
You can reply, "Okay, thank you."
Simple, polite, no stress.
Let's talk about trying clothes.
You can say, "Can I try this on?"
Repeat with us. Can I try this on?
That's perfect.
Can I try this on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there.
Thank you.
Easy, right? Now let's talk about returns. This is scary for many people.
But don't worry. We will make it simple.
You can start with, "I'd like to return this."
Say it with us. I'd like to return this. Hi. I'd like to return this.
Of course. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
No problem.
Here are some easy reasons.
It's too big.
It's too small.
I don't need it anymore.
Repeat one. It's too big.
Now it's your turn.
Imagine this situation.
You bought a shirt. It's too small.
What do you say?
Say it out loud.
I'd like to return this. It's too small.
Perfect. Let's talk about something important: fear.
Many adults are afraid to speak English.
They think, "What if I make a mistake?"
But mistakes are good. Mistakes mean you are learning.
Think about a baby. When a baby learns to walk,
The baby falls. Again and again.
but the baby never says, "I quit."
Learning English is the same.
Small steps, one sentence at a time.
Let's review what we learned today.
Asking the price. How much is this?
Asking for size. Do you have this in size?
Trying clothes. Can I try this on?
Returning items. I'd like to return this.
That's real English. Useful English.
Now we want you to practice.
Go to a store today. Or imagine one at home.
Say one sentence from today.
And tell us in the comments which sentence was your favorite.
Don't forget to like this video.
Subscribe to English Glow Up for more calm and confident English.
Keep watching. Keep practicing.
We believe in you.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.